So Nano Banana Pro has just been released on Higgsfield, and because it is its state-of-the-art image generation engine, Google Gemini 3 Pro's image model is finally out there, and you can see the quality of pictures and r- different videos that are out there right now. So right now it's built for control, clarity, and structure, and it's got 4K image quality too. Previously with Nano Banana, it didn't have 4K image quality. You probably got something with less of resolution unless you specified it through the prompt. But now the image quality is that it has 4K image quality. You can generate 1K, 2K, and 4K, and it can get a really crisp quality from everything that you produce. The text finally reads correctly, so things like headlines, UI labels, logos, packaging. Here's one where you can translate it as well. They all have different text, and which is quite cool because you can use it for different ads or different graphics that you want for your business. You got stronger face and identity control. So, here's an example right here. But simple prompts like this can give you the output that you want as well. And I find that this is the really cool thing about Nano Banana Pro is that your face is legit. You can't tell the difference between what's real and what's AI anymore. It's just crazy. And then if you subscribe through to Monday, 24th of November, Higgsfield is offering a unlimited Nano Banana Pro 4K generation for 1 year. And they do have a sale for Black Friday of up to 65% off. So if you sign up today, you can actually get these really cool offers and discounts. And to be honest, it is the lowest price on the market in regards to image generation, video generation. Here is the breakdown of the ranking. So it's ranked number one at the moment compared to Open Arts. The monthly plan is only $39 for the ultimate, which is 60% off for the whole year. You've also got the Sora 2 8-second generation cost, VO3 3.1, and Kling 2.5 as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. I'm going to share my screen and then we'll go through the actual tool itself. So when you jump on Higgsfield, you'll see the different things in the Explore page. First things first, you can see it's over here. You can either go here or you can go through image as well. So I'll go through image. So Nano Banana Pro, right? So let's just get rid of this one. Okay, so I did some generations just before. So like this one, obviously use my photo to be on the Joe Rogan podcast. So the actual prompt itself was quite lengthy. So you want to make sure that the prompt is very simple. You don't actually have to, right, create something difficult anymore. So what I will do, I'm just going to show you a few examples. So this example was quite cool. So replace Mount Rushmore with Putin, Trump, Kim Jong-un, and Elon Musk, right? So I'm going to generate that. So as you can see, you can go to all these different models here. You can choose one-on-one. You can choose 4K. Actually, I might change it to, do they have 3.4? Yeah, I like 3.4 a little bit better. You can click on Alt Unlimited. So Unlimited is only available on 1K, 2K quality, right? You can draw as well, and you can change the quality here, right? So I'm going to get it to do 4K. You can have a look at that, right? And the cool thing about it is that once it, obviously generates, you can, generate other ones. So I'm going to generate a few more as well. So we let this one load. All right, as you can see, this is what the image looks like. So you can see Putin, Trump, Kim Jong-un, and Elon, and it looks quite real, right? If you compare Mount Rushmore to that image, you can see that the image. So you compare it here with this one, it's pretty legit. Okay, so I'm going to create a new one. Let's create this. So I've just pre-prepared this prompt right here. So I like this format. So I'm going to type this prompt here. So create an ultra realistic high detail CS2 style. It's got 5 characters, including myself. So I'll put down here myself. So I'm just going to upload an image. So you can use a selfie image that you're using for a lot of these generations. So let that load and upload, and then you just generate. All right, so that's just generated. Let's have a look. Check this out. So we've got Johnny Depp, we've got Jim Carrey, we've got Robert Downey Jr., Leo, Brad Pitt, and myself. And we're all in a team of 6 for CS2. The funniest thing is that it actually is only a team of 5, I think, from last time I checked. Normally it's a team of 5, but this is pretty cool nonetheless. All right, we'll try another one. I will get a car and I'm gonna take this car apart. So I'm just gonna upload the car picture. So we go to the car. What's this one? Yep. So this one. So this is the car picture. Type in this prompt and press generate. So each time you generate a 4K one, it generates obviously it's four credits. Right. So obviously this was the image, right? So this is the first image. And then when we just the got rid of the parts, and this is what it looks like now. So that's crazy. This how realistic this looks like. So this is a really cool way to, just get different visuals from what you want as well. I'm gonna try a different prompt. So I'm gonna upload myself and a whole bunch of different outfits. So I'm going to grab this list here and grab my photo and then make me sure this costume with these clothes in the first image. Just go generate. So you don't actually have to prompt as much compared to the actual model, but again, what you put in is what you get out. So if you make the prompt more specific, it's going to give you what you want. So I'm going to share you something a little bit more robust in regards to a prompt. But as you can see, we've created, obviously the Joe Rogan one. We've created the Mount Rushmore one with these guys. Created the CS2 ones with these, and then also taking this car apart, which I find is it's crazy. Look at this; it's so cool. So we'll let this load and we'll come back in a bit. All right, so we're back now. So it normally takes a few seconds. So make me into a costume with these clothes from the first image. So if you have a look, this was the first image. There's some clothes here with some shoes. And then if you go have a look here, it's done exactly that. And you know how crazy that is? It just grabbed everything and created the outline from the back and that kind of thing. So that's just crazy how realistic that looks. And the cool thing about Higgsfield is that there is no Gemini watermark. So when you download these images, you also get the image as it is. So I'm going to create one where I'm going to use my favorite uh, companion, Mr. Cappy. And we're going to create an image where I look like a mafia with our friend Cappy. So I think it's going to be eating a banana. So we're going to generate that and we'll let that load. All right, so we've generated the image here and this is what we get. So there's me with the hair up. We're also feeding Cappy a banana as well. So that's just crazy. And then if you want to take things to the next step, you can get him to speak too. So like, for example, you get him to do lip sync. So I've done a few previous ones before, but it's just crazy how that all works. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Nano Banana. Let your imagination go wild. I trust that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the big offer from Higgsfield. So they currently have a Black Friday sale on up to 65% off. If you do sign up to the plan, they are offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro 4K generations for a whole year. And be sure to check that out as well. If you also like the videos that I share, be sure to subscribe and follow. And I look forward to sharing more on what you can do with AI in your day-to-day life. And we'll catch you all real soon.